The Externship Program was a partnership we had with Grandview Schools here, which is just down the road, and we were looking for ways to engage our teachers. I grew up with two parents as teachers. My sister's also a teacher, and I kind of always have this relationship with education and the value of education, the value of teachers. So if you can empower a teacher, then that teacher can exponentially apply what they've learned into all the students they have in through school.
The externship has been wonderful. It opened my eyes to all these opportunities that a lot of our students would have coming out of high school. When I was younger and I graduated from high school, it was always hammered in my head, go to college, get a degree, that's the only way you're going to be successful. But now that I'm seeing manufacturing and how big it is, I had no idea.
I think we learn more by doing it ourselves. I mean, a lot of people are really good at lecturing, but I don't know that that's translated all the time. So people being able to experience it, feel it, see it, touch it, I think that enhances the learning.
I've really enjoyed the experience. It's been really great to see that our kids at Grandview really do have opportunities within Honeywell that, with very little additional experience beyond high school, there's great career options for our kids. They can easily achieve the skills necessary in high school to get to a valid career that's meaningful.
I can go and branch out and bring things, innovative ideas for the kids to do, and I'm just so excited. I'm thinking of all these different things to bring to my classroom so that the kids can do hands-on, just real life applications to get them ready for the next level.
What can we do to help bring science and technology to the table early on? If we can do that, we can make it fun, we can make it exciting, you can see where a career path can go and really see those options.
I've really enjoyed the time being here at Honeywell and actually seeing a real world work experience. I know education, I know how to help kids get education, but actually getting a job beyond education, I'm pretty clueless. And this has been a huge benefit to see what it really looks like.